भारत के मुख्य न्यायमूर्ति न्यायमूर्ति श्री संजीव खन्ना।
I, Sanjeev Khanna, having been appointed Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India.
Justice Sanjeev Khanna will assume office as the 51st Chief Justice of India on 11th November 2024. He will serve as the Chief Justice of India for 6 months until his retirement on 13th May 2025. This will be the second shortest tenure among the next 8 Chief Justices, with Justice B.V. Nagaratna's tenure in 2027 being the shortest at 36 days. Under Article 124 of the Constitution of India, the appointment of the Chief Justice of India and other judges of the Supreme Court is made by the President. The Constitution of India does not specify any particular procedure for the appointment of the CJI. Article 124 Clause 1 simply states there shall be a Supreme Court of India consisting of a Chief Justice of India. Article 124 Clause 2 states that the appointment of each judge of the Supreme Court shall be made by the President. Therefore, in the absence of a prescribed procedure in the Constitution, the appointment of the CJI is based on tradition. Typically, the convention has been that the senior-most judge is appointed as the Chief Justice of India. The tenure of the Chief Justice continues until they reach the age of 65. Additionally, a Supreme Court judge can only be removed from the office if the President does so based on a resolution passed by both houses of the Parliament. This resolution is accepted if it is supported by a majority of the total membership of both houses and by at least 2/3 of the members present and voting in each house.